Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. So in this video I'm going to show you a new feature that is offered by the Google, which is called people's search card or people's card, in which you can add your own profile and make you search at yourself to the Google. So let's start. For making your people's card, you have to first sign in with your Gmail account, any Gmail account in which you have to add. So I'm signing in. Once you have signed in with your Gmail or Google account, you will see this small form which you have to fill. So for making a people's card, you have to fill your first name, then your location in which you are currently living. So I'm writing Delhi, India. Now what you have to do is you have to add your about and occupation information. So I'm adding my occupation in which I am currently working. So I'm writing web application developer, and now I'm writing my about section. So you have to written your about you do and anything else which you can write. So like as you can see, I'm writing that I love to do photography, web development and also blogging. So I'm writing that, and you have to write your about information with only 350 characters, so not more than that will be allowed. So write less than 350 characters. Now once you have filled all the four information, you have to write your work information, like currently company in which you are currently working or the previous company in which you have worked. So like I'm writing in which I'm currently working, like Shag, etc etc. You can also write. I'm writing here Internshala. Also I make YouTube videos, so I write YouTube also. So let's write YouTube also. So once you have add all the information about the work, you have to add your education section also. So in education I will write my college or university name. You can also write your college or school name, etc. So I'm writing my university name. Now it will ask you for your hometown. So my hometown is Delhi, India, so I'm writing Delhi. Now it will ask you for your website. If you have any website you own, you can give the link here. Like mine is Tarun Singh portfolio.media. This is my portfolio website, so I'm adding this. So add your social media profiles like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. So you have to provide all the links of your social media platforms. Like LinkedIn I'm providing. You can add another like Instagram, so I'm writing Instagram also. You can add any of the social media profile which is given in these options. So also I'm writing YouTube. Also guys, do follow me on Instagram, LinkedIn, and do subscribe to my channel also. So here I'm writing my Twitter profile. So once you've done, it will show all the icons like LinkedIn, Instagram. Now it will automatically detect your phone number if you have registered your phone number with your Google account, and also the email. Also you can add or change your profile picture which you have to show. So I'm changing. So now I have changed my profile picture. So what you have to do is you have to click preview option for checking like what it will look like in the search card. So it will look like this. As you can see, my name and my profile and like about is all the things are looking great in this people's card. You can also add anything that you would love to add in this people's virtual card. So if you want to edit any thing in this small form, you can edit this and then save it. So now I have filled all the information. Now what will I do is I will save this information so that it can add on to the Google search card, so that anyone can view my profile on the Google. So let's save it. First it will click on preview, and what you have to do is you have to click on save button to save your profile. So I'm saving. So as you can see, the message pop up like success. So now you can see that my profile is added on the Google search card. So as you can see, my name is written in there, Tarun Singh, and my bio information and etc etc, all the things are written. So through this you can add your own profile on the Google, so that anyone can view your profile on Google, and it will work like a virtual visiting card. So guys, that is all for this video. If you like, do like my video. Also comment down if you have any doubt regarding this video, and do subscribe my channel. Also follow me on Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. And thanks for watching this video.